Hi guys, welcome to the channel, Automag TV. Every day we continue to see new electric cars with unique looks. In this video, we take you on a significant dive into all that makes the MG4 2024 EV moderate. Experience second power and empowering speed increment with a solid electric motor passing up on to 350 drive and a 0.62 mph, 62 mph. Time of basically 3.3 seconds, dependent upon model. Branch out positively with up to 270 miles of reach, dependent upon model, on a single charge, meaning less time stopping and extra time exploring. Stand separated from the gathering with the energetic and state-of-the-art plan of the MG4 2024 EV, including clean lines, a broad inside, and eye-getting nuances. Experience the fervor of electric driving without consuming every single penny. The MG4 2024 EV is genuinely assessed, settling on it a sensible decision for normally mindful drivers. Feel the adrenaline rush steering the ship and find how the MG4 2024 EV corners with precision, comfort. Step into an open in the current style. Hold up stacked up with comfort features and imaginative development. Remain related and drew in with a top-tier infotainment structure. Undeniable level driver assist features and a sweeping sunroof for an outside with feeling. Reach and efficiency. Sort out how far you can go on a lone charge and examine the MG4 2024 EV's savvy charging decisions.